आज हम लोग फिजिक्स पढ़ने जा रहे हैं आईसीएससी बोर्ड। मेजरमेंट, दोनों को चलता है। आईसीएससी फिजिक्स जो है वो सीबीएसई बोर्ड और स्टेट बोर्ड 11 दोनों को समझ में आएगा। पहली बात तुम्हें मैं समझाता हूं। देखो इधर फिजिक्स एक शब्द होता है फ्यूसिस, उससे बना है फिजिक्स। समझ गया? मतलब नेचर और नेचुरल फिनोमेना जिसमें लिए जाते हैं, ऐसी चीज फिजिक्स होती है। आज हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट मेजरमेंट्स। तो measurement is a technique in which we use some measuring devices, and through measurement we can do experiments, we can go invention. So measurement is very important in the physics. First I will explain what is unit. Unit is a measurement. Unit is a very useful in measuring any physical quantity. It is a standard used to measure the magnitude of physical quantity. When you purchase sugar, you say 1 kg sugar. That 1 kg is a magnitude. Magnitude is a measurable quantity which is a numeral value for any unit. Like 10 kg, that is 10 kg is the magnitude. Kg is the unit and 10 is the magnitude. Similarly, when you see current, 3 ampere current, 2.5 ampere current, so 2.5 is the ampere and 2.5 is the magnitude and ampere is the unit. So we are going to use direct terms like we have two types of the quantity: physical quantity, fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Fundamental quantity which are independent of other quantity like mass, length and time, and one more thing, luminous intensity candela, temperature unit Kelvin, amount of substance mole, or you can say current unit ampere. These all are the unit of the, these all, what is mass? This would be mass m. Okay. So these are the units of SI unit. Means previously it was MKS unit. In MKS unit you had three fundamental quantities which are independent of other quantities: mass, length and time. After that, amount of substance mole, luminous intensity candela. These are the also independent quantities. That's why you included, and the extended form of the MKS system, that is called SI system. Now I will, for very short video, I will discuss directly questions. First, when you have to convert any quantity, you need to get into the fundamental quantity or you get into the SI unit. See, if somewhere is written centimeter, somewhere written centimeter square, somewhere written centimeter cube, okay. So how you will go in the SI system or MK system? Directly multiply 10 raised to power minus 3, it will be converted into not 10 raised to power minus 3, it will be 10 raised to power minus 2, it will be directly converted into meter. So if we have 2 centimeter, so you can use 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2, or you can use 2 upon 100, 2 upon 100, or you can use 0.02 meter. This is the SI unit, conversion to SI unit. And centimeter square, you have to use 10 raised to power minus 2 raised to power 2. So 2 to the 4, that is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4, or you can use 2 upon 10,000. Okay. So you can use also one more value, 0.000 and 2. It will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the value in case of centimeter square to meter square. If you have to convert into meter square, you have to do like this. And centimeter cube, you have to write 10 raised to power minus 2 whole raised to power 3. 3 to ya 6. That will be 2 into 10 raised to power minus 6, or you can use 0.00000 3 zeros and a 2. This will be meter cube. This is the unit of surface area, and this is the unit of volume, and this is unit of line means single. This is the one dimension, this is two dimension, this is a three dimension. This is the conversion we studied about the centimeter to meter. Okay. Now whenever you have to do reverse, just use positive sign, means 2 into 10 raised to power 2 means 200. 3 into 10 raised to power 2 into 10 raised to power 4, 2 into 10 raised to power 6. In case you have to convert reverse, means if you have meter and you have to convert into centimeter square or centimeter. Now we will go for directly, we will go for the main topics. One more thing, kilometer and meter. Okay, means kilometer to meter, meter you have to multiply 10 raised to power 3 or 1000. Okay, either you have to multiply 10 raised to power 3 or 1000 in case of kilometer. If you have to convert mile to kilometer, means when you heard about one actor, that is one movie was there which is based on speed. I forgot the name. uh, that is uh, Paul Walker. Paul Walker. He was driving. He was with his friend and driving his car with 280 miles per hour something. So mile we use in out of India. That is miles, means near about 1.5 kilometer, means 1.6 kilometer. 1 mile means, if that is a 5 mile, what you have to do, 1.6 into 5, that will be kilometer. Got it? So if mile is there and you have to convert into kilometer, you can do like this. If kilometer per hour is the question, kilometer per hour the velocity or the speed, kilometer per hour, that time you have to convert into meter per second. You can do 5 by 18. You multiply 5 by 18 with any number, you will get meter per second. Meter per second. And you know, the if it will be asked mile per second, you can convert in your way. Okay. So this is the kilometer to meter. Okay, or mile to kilometer. Okay. So we came to know all these values we can convert. And one formula I want to tell you. It is kilometer, it is meter, it is centimeter, it is a millimeter, it is a micrometer, and millimeter, micrometer. All these things you got. Micro, when it is a point we need to come. Okay. When you come like this, you have to multiply 1000, or you have to multiply 10 raised to power 3. If you have given 5 kilometer and you have to convert into meter, you have to multiply 5 into 10 raised to power 3 or 5000 meter. In case centimeter to meter, 10 raised to power minus 2 multiply. If millimeter to this, 10 raised to power minus 3 multiply. If micrometer to this, 10 raised to power minus 6 multiply. Okay. So you can go like this, and if you want to know something more, terameter, gigameter, and plus gigameter and this. So you have to multiply 10 raised to power 9, you have to multiply 10 raised to power 12, okay. And if it is a picometer, nanometer and picometer, so you have to multiply 10 raised to power minus 12, 10 raised to power minus 12. In case of nanometer, you have to 10 raised to power minus 9, okay. So keep in mind you have to multiply this directly value, no need to go for conversion and all, directly multiply the values. If kilometer to meter 10 raised to power 3, centimeter to meter 10 raised to power minus 2 or 1 upon 100, okay. If 5 centimeter is there, means 5 micrometer is there, so what you will do, 5 into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter, got it. Or you can write 5 upon 1000001 3 zeros, okay. uh, 3 plus bus. In this way you can write the questions. So you came to know about micro, you came to know about nano. Nano is opposite to giga. If it is positive 9, that will be negative 9. Tera, opposite you will get picometer, okay. So you need to convert all these quantities like this, okay. One more thing, you need to convert feet, means foot or feet. Feet is a plural and foot is a singular, okay. If you now need to convert foot to, actually what happen, in case of unit, we don't use plural. We use directly value like this. If meter is there, you can't use meters in physics. You can't use newtons. You can't use joules. You have to write unit means 1. Unit means 1. And 1 you can write, you can't write 2, 3. Hai. Okay. So I will discuss some questions from this book. Okay. First is what is fundamental, what are the fundamental quantities? Fundamental quantities are those quantities which are independent of other quantities. Means mass is not dependent upon anybody. But in case of derived quantity, velocity is equal to distance, displacement upon time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay. So these are the value depend upon distance and time or displacement of the time. Force, mass into acceleration. Okay. So mass and acceleration it depends. And acceleration also depend in quantity. Depend upon the distance upon velocity upon time. And velocity also depend in quantity. So mass, length, time, temperature, Kelvin, luminous intensity, candela, these all are the independent quantity. So derived quantity and the fundamental quantity you came to know. Now I will see what are the next things has been written here. Here the measurement of physical quantity unit and the numeral values written there, fundamental unit is written there, system. FPS system, foot poundal system, CGS system, MKS system and SI system. चलो ये तो पढ़ लिया हम लोगों ने भी स्टडीड यूनिट अभी पढ़ लेते हैं हम लोग कुछ खास खास यूनिट बता देता हूँ मेगा अच्छा मिली एम्पियर मालूम है मेगा एम्पियर मालूम है माइक्रो मालूम चल गया हमको चलो नाउ नाउ स्टूडेंट्स गेट रेडी फॉर अलग अब मैं तुम लोगों को बताता हूँ आई विल टेल यू द थिंग्स लाइक I will tell you the some formulas. Some formulas I will tell you, and we'll make a values or means unit. With the unit, we'll study. See, first you must know what is the unit of a distance or displacement. Distance and displacement. It is a vector quantity. It is a scalar quantity. The quantity can be represented by magnitude and direction will be vector, and the only magnitude, no need of direction, that is called scalar. Both having same unit meter, that is called meter. Next thing is second, velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time, and the speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay. Now, unit of displacement is meter and time is unit is second. Okay, time unit is second. You can write meter upon second or you can write meter per second. Okay, this is the unit. In case of kilometer per hour, you need to change like meter per second. You multiply 5 by 18. If you want to reverse it, you divide it 18 by 5. So 5 by 18 you multiply, it will be converted into meter per second. Okay. So it will be velocity, it will be displacement. Okay. I saw one thing means uh, convert 1 meter into, no, uh, convert acceleration due to gravity in feet per second square. Feet. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. Okay. So what you will do if they will ask acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. So G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So you have to convert into feet. So 9.8 into 3.28 upon nothing meter per feet per second square. Okay. So this is a conversion. We can go acceleration due to gravity changes into feet per second square. So we studied all these things. So next lecture I am going to take in 5 minutes. So join again, students. Bye bye.